sad this morning, but
up in the morning, I always say day 2. Yeah, today is day 2, mommy there. Yeah. So we're up in the morning and we get some tea and something today at Canada day. As my son I get this vlog a little bit late. Today you know mommy there. So I flip the camera and show you what I want. You see Miss Bailey at day 2, I get to go away. How you feel so far?
so good. I said feel good, but not even miss home none at all. Probably I show up home there with my son, you know. It's a part of me. For somewhere else, I would sad this morning, but when I do work when I put them, I don't feel lonely.
Oh man, like sunshine. Yeah, I love the place more when you get to carry out, you know?
I let me know the place where I reach a feel put me now.
You just feel good. You have to fret yourself, yeah man?
Yes.
So I carry mommy dad, my boyfriend.
There will be daughter-in-law, my grandchildren, them.
Straight, no, straight not sitting big now. That's the one straight not the next spot.
Just like when me there at Jamaica, round Tyrone and thinking me feel at home. Comfortable, me feel comfortable round. See me.
Yeah, man.
So me don't miss them because me there running long time. I love them, but me don't miss them because me there, me need a son, so me don't miss them.
And like you come and by yourself and the whole of your family there at Jamaica. And when you live here, so you're there around Andre, see when America says like, you know, everything dying. But I like you go to America, go to a strange place. You go to next Sunday again.
Right.
So everywhere you're there, we want to pick today.
So be comfortable.
Yeah, man.
Comfortable.
I make some fever grass.
Like a peace of mind.
I make some fever grass tea. So yeah, we're going to run down at the thing that my mom carry. But me I come from Jamaica, I bring nothing with me. But this time mom say my car, so I'm going to give me a run through now. So we have pimento leaf or so. I use this one to make some jerk chicken. So oh you label them? Or at least I label them. Okay. So pimento, we have fever grass. This is mommy I make for tea right now. You know fever grass nice, you can put it in your pillow case. When you're sick or when you have fever, you can make tea with it. You know what I say? What else you can use fever grass to? Fever grass is again. What I can hold now, you know. And then some mint, some peppermint. You know what I say? Then over here so you have the sour sap leaf, can make tea again same way. Yeah. And then more pimento. Okay, what is pimento? Thanks. Okay, what is pimento? So this is for what is jerk chicken, you know? And mama bring some fresh rosemary. Everything was fresh, but she just got them dehydrated in Jamaica. So
that is the sun, you must dry bush in the sun.
Oh, see that?
Inside. Bush must dry in the sun, it take out this substance out of it.
Oh, so it's drying at the house?
Yes, it's dry like on the veranda where you don't want sun now come just in cream. It's a Guinea weed.
Guinea head weed?
Yes, Guinea weed very good.
Very good for?
Good for all different type of things. Good for money, good for anybody.
What did that one?
This is the root. Boil the root of the
Guinea head weed root this?
So boil it and put it in your fridge and drink it. You want me and drink it.
You can drink it like tea, so no sugar, we're not add to them something like that. So what do you think you have to add no sugar? So your 5 people look like you cook with this.
That's how it's been. If I find people here from my father, I like one because I'm going to years now.
3 years now, that 5 people there? Oh, I'm big
More
girl,
than 4 or 5 years. For the Guinean weed.
That's the root.
Trouble with brush and wash it, that means when you're ready to
This one ready? Okay. After the root right. I remember them something here. Lasco, the Lasco, the vanilla flavor. We used to drink them with red and white cornflakes when we were young, you know. Yeah man, so you have the vanilla and you have the strawberry. Mommy carry 2 to Jamaican them. So yeah, the big pack, them are 400 grams. And then we have in so we have some seasoning. What was that? Put the hand right for some of it. we have some
So
seasoning.
anybody go Jamaica, they can look for them season here.
I normally make my own seasoning, you know, but mommy carry PR brand come, you know, all purpose. The brand what she like, she carry come. We have chicken seasoning. As I say, I normally make my season, but mommy have her special season she bring up. We have next chicken spice again.
Yeah, one
And
is
next
different.
all purpose. What you put all purpose?
No.
This is one I'm kind of
This
the
one-
US one yesterday.
This one, this is a different all
Different one with
purpose.
like, come like you have pepper flakes and things like.
Two different all purpose.
What else we have in a
And
bottle?
then you have the jerk.
And then the jerk. Me give you half of each one of them yesterday. So that's how you see the pot them full. Well, yeah. And of course, thanks to mother.
Well,
Over here, so now, the main thing, anytime I go here, I have to bring up some kind, you know, so then come like gold or foreign, you know. So Magnum. Big up yourself for the Milton. Yeah man, Milton from down a Guinea Tree Arcade beside the fire station. We send up some Magnum for me, you know. Yeah, so 6 of them. Thank you Roger one, kind of Magnum. One of Roger. You see it? And then I bring 2 to America. My brother. But I want my brother to them some, but I don't have enough. Yeah man, so I bring 2 go to my brother. Because I'm going to link him back to America again. And then give Roger one, you know. And then me have 3. Then mom bring some brown in. She like them one Alaska and Eve. She said them one are not too black like the grapes. One when I beat nobody but see, but yeah. Them have for me a cook, one have to cook, and them 2 have to fruit cake. And that is it, see. My brother herbs them. Same herbs I just showed them. Them have for my brother though. And one more thing. One more thing we have out there, so. We just put this now on like a cool shade. Cerasee. Right? You know cerasee already good for your blood. This I can eat directly. So we have some cerasee right there, so we just have to put it for dry. But you know in a direct sunlight, we have it in that shade. And that and that. And then we have Alice over here, so with them 3 musketeers. A jar look like wet rat.
yeah.
So Alice, how you deal with?
I am getting the kids ready, so this is why I'm looking like this.
Canada Day settings.
Yeah, so I'm just bathing the kids. Oh,
One
shoe there,
thing.
Steve.
Hey, why it's not your brother's food? Bring it up.
Come here. No, thank you. It's not yours.
So see a jar here. See here look now. Oh, here look wet now. Where my run?
He wants to be upset.
Where my run?
The shoe is in the room behind the pillow.
Come.
Behind the pillow.
Here. See, feel that? Here.
There.
Come. Here. Oi. Here.
Daddy has it.
Here. See here, sir. Stop stealing for your brother.
Say
Say
thank
thank
you.
you, bro. So
Yeah.
see.
He said,
You see here look now. Wet. I say curly later because she put in some leave-in conditioner in here.
I can show you guys. Ajari has like his hair texture is different from Jam, so I have two different hair routines. For both of them. For Ajari, it's more.
I try to find that here.
There's more. No, there's more for Ajari. Whereas Jam is just a haircut.
Yeah. Speaking
But I
of
don't
haircut,
get not just
I put the
haircut,
hair now.
not just a haircut, like oil and stuff goes in Jam's hair as well, right?
So this a big boy I know, fat man I go get in the shower now.
His
The
back.
bath. Go like them big, go now look here. Go here, a first baby will have a crease up some.
Yeah.
No, Jam here, baby.
No, but not like Jam
like
cut
that's
down
it.
a little bit. He cut down a little bit after a couple weeks, right? But this one, he said no time yet.
Yeah, one creasy boy.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna get him done
Okay, watch this one. I say love take over him. I feel things still in the front of one, but I say love
But
this.
yeah, I'm gonna make breakfast for this one now, Jari, and then I'm gonna bathe this little rascal.
Dear thing.
Can you?
So one baby bathe already.
Let me see. Come on.
Alisa go bathe him here now.
Yeah, get nice
Yeah.
and clean, and it's
Big
time for
boy
his nap.
Jazzy. And then Jamir. Hey, turn on you. Lift up your head, them stuff. Lift up your head. Stand up a little bit now, you. Now I'll get Jamir here cut I know, because I don't know my cut already. Hey, me got bob, but that's my experience that I like to cut in here myself. You know what I say? So yeah, that's for now.
See?
So yeah, we just come link up Raja. Come here for people them, yo. People them love Raja, you know. See Raja, yeah? Come here, you. Come in, you.
Wait,
Watch it. Same I go fix in here.
yeah, watch me. Ready?
Yeah, man. So just come link up Raja and workplace. This is what I say. And him give me a ticket. Gave me a ticket, let me show you. gave me a ticket just now. So Roger just gave me this ticket right here. And it's for a parking for Canada Day, so it's a reserve parking. So big up yourself, my guy. And see me I come through. Yeah, Russia, and big up yourself. So come here, what people want to yell up, you know, send their work or doing thing, you know. Chef Boyardee, you know.
Our freshly made ravioli made from yesterday.
Here we go. Dirty boy. So see boss at work or doing thing, you know what I say? Yeah man, so big up Roger, big up Russian for this ticket. You can use it as a parking ticket for today because it's going to be busy.
No.
But that's the boss at work. The parking man, the parking. Parking is going to be busy. Yeah, just give my magnum and thing a while ago.
Cool down your pasta, guys. If you're making a bunch of pasta, you have to take it out of the water, put it in a tray, put oil right away.
Why can you put oil?
Why?
Cooking less. Why you put oil?
No. Huh?
Why you put oil? Cooking less.
Cooking less? No.
You give it a cooking less.
So it won't stick.
Here we
when
go.
They get cold. When the starch builds up, it won't stick, and it stops a little bit of cooking from that.
Yes,
so
sir.
you will see the white spot from here. It will stop that because of the oil. It's cool down the spot that you just poured the oil.
This
You
camera.
don't put in the water, cold water. No.
You
You
said
used to
put.
do that.
Yeah.
But the more you do that, the starch is getting out. You don't want the starch. You want the starch to keep.
Yeah.
When you're not like pouring the sauce right away, just put it on the side. Let it
Yeah,
cook by
man.
itself.
And this kitchen boy, kitchen nice and clean. Organized, you see that? Yeah man. Yeah, so I meet Raja, you know, right on the line we meet, I say, you know. Good youth. 7 years. I go in there now and get some food, eat at my lunchtime, I know. 2 minutes, my phone could never.
Actually,
Alright.
I should not wearing this, but I'm going somewhere, so
Yeah.
it's hard to put it in, but it's gonna go. Keep it out.
I think it's bad if you're having earrings.
Yeah.
Not the hanging ones.
It's gonna.
Not the hanging ones, eh?
Yeah.
Only the regular ones.
Regular one is fine, but this one hanging,
Yeah.
it's not allowed.
Alright, we're gonna log out, man. Go and go get some food to eat right now, so big up. Alright, we'll take it to the tub. Cut Jamaican here right now. So you want the top to high. Put on a scandal bag, huh? Put it on like a shirt.
Okay.
Put it on like a what shirt.
Where's the tag inside?
Put it on you.
Where's the tag inside?
Open
Where's
for the
the
bottom.
tag?
Don't talk in there. Oh, yeah, man. No, sound scared. Oh, where's the tag? Yeah, I don't have that something there for the cape. I don't know where I put the cape. So I just normally put a bag over him so that, you know, mess up himself. With the whole for here for it. Look for the hand. Hey, careful. See the hand up there, sir.
Here?
No.
Oh, here?
Right, yes, sir. Yeah.
Where's
That's
the
your head
second
there.
one?
The second one there. Pull it up. So we'll get the little quick. Yeah, we're getting somewhere. So we're showing her the finished product. Go. You know, like picture it, watch it. Let me give you a nice clean up, you know? Move your blood, feet, move. Back up, are you? Back up, man. Blood feet. That's the haircut there. Watch it now, you. Show people my haircut. Yeah, I did that. I got away with this. Incredible. Go. We reach out there, you know. Canada Day, but you want to look like liquor rain, I got drizzle down. Mommy there in a car, yeah. Whoa. Well, grab some thing now. Record it. So seat, just in case we need them. For the mommy and Alyssa can't sit down. We need them for the fireworks to come on, you know. Set up them stroller. See stroller I'm buy yesterday. Just buy a little quick stroller yesterday, you know? Yeah. Present mommy on our flag. Canada Day, you know the thing. Go wave a flag, lady. Yeah, man. Jump time. Go.
So I should take out money.
So this flag.
Oh no! I'm so sorry, your thing fell.
Go buy a little money and come.
Mommy, lift up your flag. Yeah. Mommy, look now, lady. Jerry, move the flag out of mommy, please. Come over here, come. Yeah. Wave the flag, mommy. Oh, yeah? The grandma, you can't control it. The grandma outside, you know. With our grandboy.
Alright, let's
Alyssa and her picking them there.
Excited. Let's put the kids on some rides.
Jamaican here.
Watch
But
the
hey,
road,
watch
please.
the road now. Where you run go?
Come,
Some
hey,
boy
hey.
see. Watch the road. Stop the foolishness.
It's not
Come here,
funny.
Mom.
Okay, you're gonna have to watch the road. We're gonna come right there.
Come. Alright.
Some of these people don't even look at you guys.
Alright, so Ajari, second Canada Day. But what do for Canada Day with him?
Ajari? This is like since he's been born.
Wait, when did you do Canada Day? When did you do Jamaica?
Nothing.
Never
Because
know?
they didn't have this last year. Or if they
Okay.
did, I don't think much people went.
Mommy, stand up back eye. Stand up directly back eye.
No, me know about me know I'm the tour each one when me a tour
Oh.
each one, no want to stop probably.
Alright. Oh, where I go find this, Alyssa? To see park over this, so we normally go a year time. And then over this, you know, Jamaica usually go play, but that's not where we're going today. A little stroller of workout today. Yeah, Jerry? Just a kickback, so. Yes, I kick back my boss. Alright, so we're there at the park. This is a yearly thing on Canada Day, July 1st, you know? Huh? I know, man, but like this. Jamaican and Blaze. Take your time. Mommy locks look good, eh? Yeah, here, yeah, man. Where to get them there? Alyssa them gonna get funnel cake, just do some rides. Gonna try to move the car from the parking lot because if not, we're gonna be stuck here until midnight. and you have to move the car by 9:30 at 10 minutes to the time. So I'm gonna move the car, go over there, so go watch the fireworks. Actually, have the baby out when I want to stay too late. You see what I say? So hopefully we can find a spot. Let's go. So I make mommy try funnel cake for the first time. At least I'm gonna get a slice of pizza because kids are hungry. We've been out here since around 6:30 and 9:30 now, almost 10 o'clock. Yeah. Mommy and our grand boy. Mind that drop on you, boy. Yeah, we're getting on this line all long. Funnel cake and deep fried Mars bar. Out of busy, man.
You live out here?
That's the menu. I'm gonna go big. I would have go one, you know?
Handle this chip when you
The
get
one chip? Okay. Thank you. Yeah, record it. Pardon?
Is the line long out there?
Yeah, man. All the way back there. Man, take care, eh? Yeah, this is it.
Black strawberry topping.
That's why I passed
You only got 1/4?
Yeah.
That's something another.
It come like pancake, but they fry.
Aiden knows how to make it.
Yeah, man.
It's not very hard.
A funnel cake with ice cream and strawberry. Nice.
No, don't stand there, please. All right. Let's come this way.
Nice.
Stand behind you guys. Oh, that one's tricky, eh? See it just falling, babe? The top one?
Nice. Sick. Sick. It's nice.
They
Whoa,
just blow
whoa.
up when they get in the sky. I'm so sad that my friend is not here.
Soon.
Wait, are they done? How many fireworks do they have? I just realized.
Lots, bro. Lots. Can't sit up straight, you know.
We're getting extreme now. I'm so happy.
Whoa. Jam here. Jam, stop. Where you go? Stand up right there so you can see everything else, man.
I want to be at the best view.
Yeah, right, that's a good saving. That's it now, it's done. That was crazy. You like that, eh? That's nice, eh? I jar them feet, man.